Hey everyone! If your iPhone feels slow or starts lagging after updating your iOS 18, here's a simple step-by-step guide to fix it. Let's get started. First, open your settings and go to General and select Software Update. Make sure that your device is running to the latest version of iOS 18. Sometimes, a minor updates fix bugs and improve performance. Here you can also update all apps. Go to your App Store and tap your profile icon at top right and pull down to refresh and tap Update All. Outdated apps may not run smoothly with a new iOS version. Then you can check battery or background activity. Open the settings and click battery. Look for the messages like your iPhone is completing setup in the background. This means that iOS is still optimizing process, which can temporarily slow your phone. Next, you can also restart your phone and wait for a few minutes to turn your device back on, because restarting clears temporary cache and frees up memory and improving your performance. And here, you can free up storage space. Go to your settings again and click General and tap iPhone Storage. Delete or offload unused apps or large files. Keeping it at least 10 to 15% free storage helps iOS run smoothly. After installing a new update, iOS takes time to re-index photos, apps, and files. Your iPhone might log for a few hours to a day, and this is normal. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!